Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at the Canadian yen and see if we can spot supply and demand levels. On the monthly, we see that there's a strong area of demand down here and price retraced to it and then it rallied, but it did not have enough strength to go up to the supply zone because of this EMA line that's acting as a resistance. This blue EMA line is acting as resistance, so price cannot go up higher than there, or it's going to take a couple more tries to test that before it goes up higher. But currently price is consolidating in this area in between this monthly demand zone and this blue EMA line. So price is consolidating, but demand is in control. On the weekly, we have price. This is the area where the demand was in control and then it rallied, and then we can see that these are pretty strong impulses. This red candle and these red candles, this is pretty strong. So if you look closely, this area barely, it did not penetrate this area. Yeah, it did not penetrate. It's right at the distal line, and then it dropped, and then it dropped. So this is on the monthly we saw that the blue line was the acting resistance, but on the weekly we see that there's a very powerful area of supply right here. That is what's driving price down. So we see that supply zone was in control, it dropped, and then it created a pretty strong level of demand right here. So this area is what we want to take a look at to place our trades. It's not that strong, but it's got one big candle, another big candle, and then these consolidating candles. And on the daily, we can see that this level is not that good either, but it's valid because it's got these big candles, and then if price retraces down there, we could potentially go long down here. Then it should rally up, but so this is a very good area to go long because we know that the monthly is in control, demand. So our bias is to go long because this area is in control. Now if the supply zone is in control, supply zone was in control, but then it dropped down to this demand zone, and this demand zone is now in control. So it's looking pretty good. Our bias is to go long. Weekly shows that it's got these big candles, so this is a good area to go long. And on the daily we have the same thing, candles, strong candles. Now the question is, do we go long here or do we go long down here? It could be either one. Higher odds, we just have to wait because this zone is in here and this zone is also part of here. So when it's like this, you guys, if price retraces to this zone, I want to see confirmation before I go long. It won't, or else if it's gonna penetrate deeper and deeper, then I want to see this level go up before I buy it. And we know that this is a pretty strong area on the weekly. We know this is pretty strong, so it's gonna bounce from here. If not, if this zone breaks too, then yeah, this zone breaks too, then we could see it breaking this zone all the way down here to the monthly demand zone. So that's what we're looking at. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna set some alerts right now just so that I don't forget about it. set some alerts 2 months out from now, and we'll see what happens. I'm patient. We don't want to buy right now. We don't want to do anything. We just want to wait for price to retrace and buy. And we want to take a look at these charts at least once a day. For me, anyways, because I work a full-time job, happily working for corporations, and I'm looking to make some side income so that if I lose my job, I can have my trading income. But I'm also learning. I'm not perfect, you guys. I'm also learning and getting better every day, perfecting my skill and perfecting my technique, and even all the psychology and everything that has to do with trading. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trading. I'm putting an alert right now, right here, and if price want to come down there, we can look to go long or wait for confirmation, depending on what your trading plan is and what your strategy is to minimize risk and maximize reward. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.